syempre, masaya kasi naka-recover kami dun sa third and fourth set. So, syempre, yung winning ng Signal talagang nandun eh. So, mahirap din talaga silang kalaban. Since dati pa naman, ano na yan eh, syempre, si Coach Shaq hindi basta-basta magpapatapat, singing player niyan. So, talagang nagsipag sila. So, siguro yung break na punta sa amin, tsaka siguro nakatulong din yung sanayin sa laro yung Creamline sa mga ganong laban. So, malaking advantage sa amin. So, happy ako at nakuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you, Coach. And for Pons, 27 points in this game. Siguro nung fifth set, kayo as players, ano lang yung tumatakbo sa isip nyo na yun nga down 2 sets kayo, kailangan nyo makuha nyo na yun?
Actually, nung fifth set, hindi na namin inisip na down 2 sets kami. Parang 0-0 na kasi. Parang, yun lang. Parang ang ganda lang nung fifth set kasi parang bumalik yung energy ng team. Kasi nawala talaga nung third and fourth set eh. Parang, ang ano namin sa loob, parang medyo matamlay. Pero nung fifth set, talagang bumalik yung energy ng bawat isa and sobrang ganda, ang saya sa loob na naka-recover kami dun sa third.
Thank you. The first open for questions.
Coach, for you lang, ano lang yung masasabi mo sa naging growth ni Pon sa team nyo? Lalo na mula nung nag-MVP conference, nung reinforce siya, kumbaga tuloy-tuloy na yung pagpapakita niya ng ganito.
Syempre, deserve talaga ni Pons yung dislike na nasa amin. Kasi talagang sobrang magaling magpakondisyon ng katawan, aga-aga sa ensayo. Tsaka yung determination niya sa game, talagang laging nandyan. So talagang masaya kami para kay Pons kasi talagang nakabalik siya from beach sa England. Siguro mas madami pang ipapakita si Pons sa mga next game. So happy kami kasi talagang nagagamit talaga namin si Pons sa galing niya. So, yun.
Lang din talaga maging consistent. And yung goal ko lang talaga everyday sa training pa lang na mag-improve ako kahit 1% lang everyday. And yun, parang sa training kasi, ano din eh, parang na-challenge din talaga ako kasi sobrang competitive ng lahat. So, pahirapan talaga pumuntos, pahirapan walang nagpapabagsak ng bola. So, as a player talaga na-challenge din ako sa mga kasama ko. So, parang sobrang laking bagay yon sa akin na pagdating ng laro talagang hindi ako papayag na basta-basta lang.
And for Coach, pagdating po sa mga 5-setters, siguro meron bang specific instruction o may ginagawa bang iba? O paano lang talaga na-handle ng Creamline lagi yung mga 5 sets kahit sabihin na natin humahabol yung mga kalaban?
Wala naman siguro. Talagang siguro yung winning na manalo kahit na 5 sets ba, per set or 4 sets. So, back to basic lang palagi. Ayun naman lagi nire-remind ko, huwag silang na-pressure, back to basic lang, ang mga basic service receipt, yun naman talaga yung nagpapanalo. So, yung winning na manalo, yun yung laging dala ng Creamline.
And Coach, siguro po, update lang din po kay Alyssa po na hindi na po siya halos nakabalik. Ano po yung naging problema po siguro sa tuhod niya po ata yung kanya?
As of now talaga, wala pa akong alam. So, kinamusta ko lang siya. Sabi ko, tinanong ko siya kung okay siya. Sabi niya naman okay. So, siguro, after nito, malalaman namin yung health ni Alyssa kung okay ba. Hopefully, wala namang injury. So, wala pa ako masyadong Pero sabi niya, okay naman siya.
Coach, ano na lang yung magiging mindset ng team heading into your next season?
Yung game ngayon, malaking sa amin, malaking challenge para sa next game kasi talagang naka-recover din yung Signal. Siguro, sa amin to, lesson sa amin, na talagang wag magpahinga habang laro. So, bigay 100% habang linatapos yung game. Kasi first 2 sets nakuha namin.
This is going to be a long conference and also we still on the elimination game. So at least we have a chance to challenge for a different system, I want to challenge for during the game, not only during the practice. Because also that's what we do practice also. So, yun lang. Chapter 1 is really good, fighting spirits under the end, even like past at 25-9. That's what we need to also run from them.
Thank you, Coach. And for Ivy, 15 points in this game against Capital One. Anong third set nga nag-speak yung laban? And nung first 2 sets, na-dominate nyo talaga yung Capital One. So siguro personally, ano lang yung naging motivation mo for this game?
Siguro ako po, yung naging motivation ko po is, syempre yung teammates ko po. And yung sina-coach, ganyan. Kasi po, parang yun nga po, may mga ni-injured po sa amin na teammates, ganyan. So parang kami-kami na lang din po yung nandito. Kaya parang everyday po, lagi po namin gugustuhin yung manati po.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Ayun, Ivy, ano lang yung nakikita yung tama yung ginagawa nito kahit kulang kayo, kaya back-to-back wins kayo?
Siguro po, yung pagtutulungan po namin sa isa't isa and yun talaga ang tiyaga namin and pasensya po. Binabaan po talaga ngayon kasi wala na po kaming ibang choice. Hindi po gawin po yung mga sinasabi ni Coach.
For Ivy, yun nga, medyo mas nagiging kompleto na kayo in terms of yung roster. So siguro at this point na medyo padulo na tayo, gano'ng kalaga lang na mas maging full force kayo para makaangat pero makaangat before the qualifying.
Siguro po, lagi naman po namin sinasabi na trabaho pa din po. Sunod kami lagi sa game plan ni Coach Taka. And siguro, tuloy-tuloy lang po namin yung pagbuo po ng culture ng team. Kaya siguro din po, mas maganda yung ginagalaw po ngayon.
And for Coach, compared to how you ended 2024, are you much happier now with the way Akari began 2025 or it's still a bit rough for you?
I mean, still same po. At least we handle the super young player, but they have also a lot of potential. So, I mean, it's when you lose, it doesn't matter. What I'm explaining, like we also need to learn from the Capital One what they're showing to the fighting spirit, because sometimes also we're missing. Like even we were not the champion team, it's just last conference went to championship, but sometimes like the acting is like looks like a champion team. So we just need to more be humble and then to be focused on our improvement.
Ivy, can you take us back dun sa third set? May mas advantage ba yung parang may mas experience inside the court compared sa very young team na Capital One? Or same pa rin natin yung experience when it comes to late stretches ng game, lalo na kapag time?
Siguro po, may factor po. Pero more on dun po sa kagustuhan kong manalo ng third set. And yun, yung fighting spirit po talaga. Kasi parang lagi po yung sinasabi sa amin ni Coach na hindi po palaging bata kami. Kailangan maging mature po kami. Kahit na mga young age pa po.
Yeah, kasi every time we won 3-1, not 3-0, and if it's rules, like 3-0 also. It's just today, our tactical is like simple work on it against Capital One, but especially if it's like strong team, also they will adjust. So we still need to go to work on during the game, how we adjust to the game. I think that's the most important. At least we have a good player.
Ivy niya, 2 more games na lang sa inyo sa schedule nyo. Siguro, nauna nakakuha rin kayo ng 3-0. Siguro, hopefully, are you seeing this parang momentum building na heading into your final games?
For sure naman po, maganda po pag-boost ng moral po namin tong game na to. Pero syempre, yung mga next games din po namin is mabibigat na teams. Kaya kailangan po talaga namin doblehin pa po, triplehin yung magiging trabaho po namin ulit versus po sa mga teams.
Coach, speaking of next game, your next game will be against Chocomucho. So how will this one help you guys heading to that game?
I think Chocomucho and Akari, it's more one blocking team. So it's most important is our passing and our side-out phase. Because at least we know both teams against broken team. I think we need to make it on a good sub and also a good side out. That's what we also have a program in Chapter 1 in last set.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,